Hi, today I'm gonna show you how you can remove this Toyota Auris 2011 door handle. So we're gonna have to open the door. So we're gonna need a small screwdriver in minus, or you can use this removing tool. We have to identify this plastic cover. We have to remove it just like that. And then with the Taurus 30 or T30, we have to find this screw inside, and we have to unscrew this one, and after we finish we unlock the handle. After that we have to take this cover from here. You can put a screwdriver like that there. We have to unscrew a bit more. Just like this. Okay, now we have to slide the handle to the back of the car, just like that. Slide the handle to the back of the car, just like that. Start removing from in the front of the door, just like this, and then slide a bit more and you unlock the handle. After that you put this one inside so you don't lose it, this one as well. You can change your lock, and then you can put everything back just like you remove it. This is the way how you remove the front handle door. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, you can give me one like. If you are not subscribed yet, you can subscribe to my channel to see more videos.